Guys, so I got this old boat my grandpa gave me. In the back of it, where the mount the trolling motor, has some old wood, as you can see here. Wasn't too good, and the back of it's been leaking just a little bit. So I took the rotten wood off of here, right here, and so these bolts are all rusty. So I'm gonna get the die grinder out and grind these bolts off and put some new wood on and see if we can get this thing waterproofed a little bit. If you guys have any ideas on how I can get the bottom waterproofed, because it does leak from right down in here. So if you guys have any good ideas, I would appreciate it. So let's get to it. Step one, go to your air compressor right here, plug it in on this to the air compressor. Second, get your cord on there, and then get your die grinder, plug the die grinder into the cord here, just like so. Now you gotta get your safety glasses. Safety's first, always. No matter what you might think, if you think you're tough or something, I don't care. I'm still gonna wear safety glasses. That's more like it. Alright, so take our die grinder over. Then you just slowly get on one bolt and slowly go to the side. Slow as possible, nice and easy. Easy does it, you know. Then that's how you cut them off. And I'll start cutting them off and keep you guys updated. Alright, so we got all the bolts cut off, all 6 of them now. Might need a little hammer to knock them out. And that's how it's done, guys. It's amazing what a die grinder can do. So now I gotta find some wood, some treated wood, and 6 bolts, nuts, probably some O-rings, see if we can keep it from leaking through these holes now that we have all 6 of them. So yeah, let's get to that part now. So I went and I found some wood here, some treated native lumber here. It looks like it'll do pretty good. Same width of that. You can see here that the previous person put a bunch of caulk around the edges of this board here, but I see that the boat is made with an indention here, if you can see what I'm talking about. So I think I might measure the board to be this length by this tall, and so then we won't be out here worrying about having to dodge all this caulk that's here, because it won't even come off. So I'm gonna measure my board and cut it for the right length of that, and get one on the front and one on the back, and find some nuts and bolts and washers and put it on. Measured the length of that, and it's 15 inches, so marked my board from the end of there for 15 inches. I'm gonna get the skill saw and cut that 15 inches. So I got my makeshift sawhorse here on the ground. Got my safety glasses, skill saw right here. We're gonna start cutting. So you wanna make sure you have the cord out of the way, because if you cut that cord, that would not be pretty. And there is one, cut to the perfect size, perfectly. That looks like it'll go perfect up there. That's perfect. Okay. I want to cut one more 15 inches long. now we have, well, clean that up a bit, but now we got 2 pieces. Cut the perfect length. Boards, I pencil marked where every hole should be, so I can find the right drill bit that'll be the same size as this, so I can make the same width of hole for what I've drawn on. So now we're gonna find a drill, see if we can drill some holes, and see how that goes. Found the correct drill bit. This drill bit will fit perfectly to this hole, all the holes. So now we're gonna drill our board so we have the proper hole size. Let's get to it. Drill on that board down there. Just put these on top and drill into that so we don't hurt nothing. Let's see how it goes. Alright, well, we got one board drilled, 6 holes. We'll get to the other one. Got both boards drilled, 6 holes. Perfect. See how that goes. So I found some bolts. I think they'll be good. They're pretty long. They fit in here perfectly. Now I'm gonna see if I can get some nuts. Those are good. Got some washers. Let me see if I can get some O-rings. Got some O-rings, or some O-rings and some washers. And now, it's a little bowed, but that'll be okay. So we're gonna take this, put this onto there. Actually, I'm gonna switch this around. No, it goes on pretty easy. Alright guys, well after one failed attempt, when I realized my bolts were too long and the thread there wasn't long enough, I decided to redo the idea. So I put only one board on the outside, no boards on the inside, but it's still pretty sturdy. So that way I could use a smaller bolt, that way the nut would go on the bolt. So I got, and I had bolts that were one size and I ran out, I had to use this size and I had to use this size, but I got bolt, washer, wood, an O-ring, a washer, and a nut. So now the waterproof right here on the inside, water won't come in. Water won't come in because we got the O-ring, the washer, the nut. So I think that's pretty good. I'm gonna put my trolling motor on here and see what it looks like. I like that. I like that a lot. Get a 360 of that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's nice. Minn Kota, baby. Just got out here on the water. Got the trolling motor mounted up, the battery. It's working fabulous. My dog is currently going crazy. You can see him. He is wanting to be in the boat with me because he's a bit psycho. But we're out here. It's going good. There's still a little bit of a leak in this boat I need to fix. I don't know where it's coming from, but I'm gonna have to get onto that because I just don't like any water being in the boat at all, even if it's just that little bit. Yeah, so it's going good. I'm enjoying. Well, I want to thank you guys for watching. I had a good time fixing the boat a little bit. Thor had a good time parking and being silly. I have a little bit of a leak to fix still. I don't know what that's all about, but I'll figure that out. I'll post a video on that too. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, comment. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Feel free to go to Instagram, Southern Indiana Outdoors, and we'll see you next time from Southern Indiana Outdoors. See you later.